Hello, so my name is Gabriella Raporto. I love baking. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited because this is the first time I'm here with you today sharing a super quick and easy cupcake recipe. So don't feel that you have to be an experienced baker or anything like that because it is very easy, trust me. So I will show you the ingredients: eggs, self-raising flour, sugar, caster sugar, butter, unsalted, always. I took this out from the fridge about 2 hours ago, but if you haven't, you can always put it in a bowl in the microwave for like 10, 15, maximum 20 seconds, take it out, and you'll be able to use it. If you melt the butter for too long, you can't use it. So I think this is where some people get it wrong. They put the butter in the microwave and it overheats. If that happens to you, use the butter in a cooking dish or use it for some toast, but do not use it for the cupcakes because you want to achieve that fluffiness, right? When you cream the butter and the sugar, that's what makes a cake fluffy. It's so simple. It's just getting that butter to the right consistency, because when you melt butter, you can't bring it back to its firm state. So you just miss out on that fluffiness, of achieving that fluffiness. So that's a really important tip to know. Then we have the milk, vanilla extract. Now, if you don't have this, don't worry about it. Vanilla is getting very expensive. You're still gonna have a beautiful cupcake. This is all the things, these are all the things I'm going to use to decorate the cupcakes. You can use whatever you have in your pantry: chocolates, berries, macarons, sprinkles, cream, jam. It's up to you. You can get creative. That's the beauty of baking from home. And this is how I cook when I even cook a savory dish. So that's why when people ask me to repeat a recipe when it comes to savory, I say, I'm sorry, but I can't, because I like to use up everything in my fridge. I don't like wastage. But obviously, when it comes to baking, we have to be a bit more careful because we have to follow certain baking rules. Otherwise, the cake won't work and it won't be nice, fluffy, and delicious. Anyway, enough talking. So I've got my recipe, which I will share with you. If you have any comments, questions, please just write them underneath and I will make sure to get back to you. Just a little intro about me while I prepare 115 grams of butter. I have always loved baking and it has been my dream to have a cake shop. So I do have a cake shop now. I have 7 staff, 2 drivers, and I spend a majority of time at home managing the shop, looking at sales, marketing, creating new recipes, and hence why I decided to start this channel to promote with you my love of baking and hopefully teach you some basic resources. And I need 115, so I'm going to do this by eye, as I say, and don't be afraid if it's not exact because I don't have scales here with me. And 112 grams of butter, 2 cups of sugar, okay, 1, 2, super easy. Now we're going to go, okay, here we go. So I just wanted to show you this. See how it's like really crumbly? We don't want that. Now, you're not going to believe what we're going to do, but yes, we're going to add a bit of boiling water. Okay? Just a little bit. Look. Okay? And let's see how that's going to start changing. Look. It's still not fluffy, see? Still not fluffy, which is what we want. So what do? We keep beating. This is what I'm saying when you need to be patient. Now, it's 4 eggs, what you can do is have a bowl ready. So I always use 2 hands to crack an egg. Some people do it with 1, but I like to have full control of my eggs. And we're going to do 1 at a time. We have 4 eggs, okay? So 1. Okay. Oh, this machine's heavy. Whew. We've got just 1 egg left. And I'm going to show you, look at this. But hopefully you can see it's quite fluffy. Okay. I'm back with a sieve, okay? Sieve, I don't know how you say it. Okay. 2 cups of flour. Now this is self-raising flour. Now probably, I'm gonna put 1 cup in there first. Ooh, there you go, look at that. Beautiful. Just put lots of air in it, that's good for it. Milk. 2 cups of flour. Okay, 1 cup. I almost had a mental blank. So 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk. Okay, for everyone. Now this, I start with the flour and then I slowly start pouring in the milk. But remember, we've still got 1 cup of flour left to put in here. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Now, vanilla extract. Look, most people put this in, at the beginning with the butter and sugar. You can also put it in now if you forget, don't worry. So I always use the lids. So I'm gonna use 1.5 lids. Okay, now we're gonna put this aside. And I'm just gonna take advantage to scrape the sides of the bowl. Oh, look at that. It's looking magnificent, this. Okay. Now that's my wet cloth so the bowl doesn't move. Okay, that's it. This is the stage you don't want to overmix. See how I was really short? I put the speed up, but it was very short. And that's the main thing. Just 1 finger. Okay, ooh, and 2. 1. So see how I scrape it along the bowl so I don't drip everywhere. That's the main thing. You don't want to drip anywhere. Not that it matters a lot, but it just doesn't make the cupcake look as pretty. And we want the cupcakes to look pretty, right? So that was 2, I believe. Now 1, 2, maybe there. Maybe there. That's not even. Maybe here a little bit more. Here. Okay. I think that should be enough. Okay. Okay, so one thing I do recommend, if you put too much batter like I have, it's best to loosen them off the tray whilst they're hot. So I just want to show you. Okay, so we're just gonna, oh, can you see? See that cupcake? Oh, it's so light and fluffy. Okay, ooh. And now we're gonna open it. See how fluffy that is? It just can't get any fluffier.
Okay? And I might just have a bit. It's honestly delicious. Oh. Okay. I can't help myself. So, in the meantime, excuse me, I'm going to show you what I'm going to decorate my cupcakes with. So I had a heap of sprinkles at the shop that I wanted to bring. And then I went to the supermarket and I saw these beautiful freckles, because who doesn't like freckles, right? So, oh, and I can't open the freckles. Oh, there we go. That's a cool box. Oh, look at these. They're actually giant freckles. They're pretty cool. Look at that. Okay. Freckles. It's freckle time. Now. Okay, so we waited just a few minutes and they're not 100%. I could have cheated, and what you can do is put them in the fridge or freezer. Nothing will happen to them. So that's totally fine. And so we grab, now that's the pointy end, so that's 1M. There's 2 ways to do it. I'm going to do both ways here. So, zig up and down movements. Okay, see that? And the other one is a swirl. So you just start in the middle and go all the way around until you cover the whole cupcake. See, it's like rosette, they call it. And then, like, we could put, oh, look at this. This is gonna look great. Freckle right in the middle. Or sprinkles, confetti. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks amazing. Confetti and got a blank. So they look amazing. Confetti, and this is the freckle. I always forget that name. Confetti and freckles. Now that's the pink, and now we're going to do the same. We'll do it. That one's a bit burnt, so we'll do the same with the white Swiss meringue buttercream. So we'll just do up and down movements across the whole cupcake. And then on this one, we're just going to do a swirl. We start in the middle and we go round and round and round and round until we cover the whole cupcake. So that's it for my first video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Any feedback, any questions are very welcome. How to make cupcakes at home. So simple, so easy. Thank you for your time and see you soon. Bye.